In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your IP address and increase your privacy and security using Nordvpn. First, let's navigate your internet browser over to nordvpn.com. This is where you'll begin your journey toward enhanced online privacy. Once there, you'll want to sign up for an account. Creating an account ensures that you have personalized access to their suite of services designed to shield your online activity. After you've set up your account, the next step is to download the Nordvpn app. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, Android, iOS or Linux, Nordvpn has made sure that everyone can fortify their digital footprint. Simply select and download the version that's right for your device. Now that you have the app ready, go ahead and launch NordVPN. You'll need to sign in with your newly created account details. This ensures that your session is secure and you're recognized as a legitimate user. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a button labeled Quick Connect. Clicking this button takes away the hassle of selecting a server yourself and instantly connects you to the fastest available server in your vicinity. This is a great feature as it not only hides your real IP address but also optimizes your connection speed. You may be wondering, how does this affect my IP address? Well, once you've connected to the server, your real IP address is hidden. Instead, you'll be using a virtual IP from the country connected to that server. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy as it masks your location and makes it harder for online entities to track your activities. For those of you with specific needs or preferences, you have the option to choose a specific server location. Let's say you'd like to appear as if you are browsing from another country. You can easily do this by selecting a country on the map within the app or choosing from a list of available servers. This feature is especially great for unblocking streaming content or bypassing geo-restrictions and censorship that might be prevalent in some regions. So, to recap, by clicking Quick Connect, NordVPN automatically connects you to the fastest server nearby, effectively hiding your real IP address and replacing it with a virtual one from another country. If you have a specific location in mind, simply choose from the map or server list. This flexibility not only keeps your online activity private, but also opens up a whole world of content that might otherwise be inaccessible. That's how you can quickly and easily enhance your online security and privacy with NordVPN. Thank you for watching, and make sure to keep your internet browsing both private and secure.